أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. القارعة ما القارعة وما أدراك ما القارعة يوم يكون الناس كالفراش المبثوث وتكون الجبال كالعهن المنفوش فأما من ثقلت موازينه فهو في عيشة راضية وأما من خفت موازينه فأمه هاوية وما أدراك ما هي نار حامية. صدق الله العظيم.
Translation of Surah Al-Qari'ah. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. The striking event. What is the striking event? And what will explain to you what is the striking? The day when men shall be like scattered moods, and mountain will be like fluffed wool. Then, as for one whose skills are heavy, he will be in a life of satisfaction. But as for one whose skills are light, his refuge will be in an abyss. And what will explain to you what that is? It is a blazing hot fire.
हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर। हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर। हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है हाँ उसी का नूर, हाँ उसी का नूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे ज़रूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है हाँ कहीं पे ज़रूर। कहीं पे है, हाँ उसी का नूर। इंसान जब कोई है राह से भटका, किसने दिखा दिया उसको सही रास्ता, किसने दिखा दिया उसको सही रास्ता। कोई तो है जो करता है मुश्किल हमारी दूर, कोई तो है जो करता है मुश्किल हमारी दूर। हर तरफ हर जगह हर कहीं पे है, हाँ उसी का नूर। रोशनी का कोई दरिया तो है, हाँ कहीं पे जरूर।
Oh, no, 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 no.
맞아 그래요? 아직 걸어봐요. अरे बसो चुप押せてなる押してくる
Happy Children's Day. Always be happy. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day to all my lovely kids. My dear students, you are all very special to us. Happy Children's Day, my dear lovely kids.
Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Happy Children's Day. I wishing you a very happy Children's Day. Assalamu alaikum. Happy Children's Day. Stay blessed, everyone.
Hi kids, happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day.
Assalamu alaikum. Happy Children's Day, everyone. Stay blessed. Thank you. Good morning, my dear students. Happy Children's Day. Have a wonderful Children's Day.
The sweetest memories of anyone's life is childhood, right? Don't miss it. Have fun in your life. Happy Children's Day. Bye.
Kids, happy was having fun with you. Happy Children's Day.
Assalamu alaikum. The school is just a building without you, but your presence used to make it a living home for all of us. The school without you is like a body without soul. May a small child always remain alive in you, no matter how much you grow up. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Children are the most valuable resource and its best hope for future. Children are the keys to paradise. Happy Children's Day.
To me, you are the most precious of blessings, and I cherish every moment that I spend with you. Happy Children's Day!
My beloved children, you are the hope for better future. Stay blessed and be happy. Happy Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day. We all love you.
The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day.
Good morning, my dear student. How are you? I miss all of you. Happy Children's Day for all of you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Happy Children's Day.
There are some things that we cannot buy. One among them is our childhood. So students, please enjoy your childhood. Live, laugh and learn. Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
A very happy Children's Day to each and every one of you. May your futures be as bright as the sun and never future. So never stop trying to be the one who you want to be. Happy Children's Day.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, because of this situation we cannot able to meet face to face. So really I miss you. I have small message for you. We may have grown up into adult, but our heart still enjoy the small things because we are still little baby inside. Happy Children's Day!
Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day.
Loyal and efficient work in a great cause, even though it may not be immediately recognized, ultimately bears fruit. Happy Children's Day.
Children are the best creation of God. They spread joy in every season. Happy Children's Day.
Hi dears, there are no words to describe how special you are to us. You know, childhood is the best and sweetest period in anyone's life. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. Spend this day with unlimited fun and happiness. Happy Children's Day.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। बच्चों, ये नज़्म जो मैं आपके लिए पढ़ रही हूँ ये मैंने खुद लिखी है आपके लिए। दुआ है कि फूलों की तरह महको, किरणों की तरह चमको, जहाँ रहो वहाँ प्यार हो, हर कदम पर बहार हो, हर खुशी को खुद ही तुम्हारा इंतजार हो, तुम्हारे इल्म से हो हर तरफ प्यार की रोशनी, तुम हो सबसे बेमिसाल, जैसे गुलाब की खुशबू है लाजवाल। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे टू ऑल। शुक्रिया।
Happy Children's Day.
The children of today will make the world of tomorrow. The way we bring up the child will determine.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Good night, baby.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear children, today is your day. To make you happy on the special day, we teachers prepared a small skit for you. Apart from your enjoyment, here you will learn some moral values as well. You have seen some of your friends, classmates or relatives as very nervous or timid. Are they able to do anything properly? No, right? Okay. Now, if you know someone like this, how will you treat them? Okay, be ready to watch the skit and see the nervous girl, her friends and teacher. Then we will discuss the values.
We're going to do something very new and exciting, different exercises for today. What do you say?
Teacher.
Yes, teacher. Okay, today we're going to do 3 different exercises. First is creative writing, second is physical, third is stress exercise. Okay?
Wow.
Okay, seems like you all are very excited. So let's start with the first exercise, creative writing. Take out your copies and pencils.
Okay.
Okay, today's topic is going to be very easy. You're going to write about gratitude. You have to write an essay about gratitude to who you're feeling gratitude towards or you feel gratitude from. Okay, it's a very simple essay. Write however as simple as you want. What happened, Amina? Why aren't you writing anything?
Teacher, I'm writing, teacher.
It's okay. Write however simple words you can write in. Okay, nothing too complicated.
Teacher, I finished.
Wow, very good.
Teacher, I also finished.
Wow, very nice. Give me your papers. We'll discuss in the next class, okay? It's okay. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Since you all enjoyed this first exercise, now should we move on to the next exercise?
Yes.
Yes, okay. The next exercise is very simple physical games, okay? Let's move around and play some basketball games. So, everyone, go to the basketballs. I have kept a basket right over there. Give me the ball and let's start with the game.
Okay, teacher.
I am the best in physical exercises. I'm sure I will win today. I bet.
Not today. Today I am going to beat you. Wait and watch. Keep on talking. I am going to be the winner today.
Wow, very good. Next.
Oh no!
It's okay. Try one more time. Very good.
Wow!
Next.
Yay!
Very nice. Next, Amina, let's go. Try. So,
Oh no!
it's okay. Want to try one more time? You want to try one more time? No. Have a seat. Exercise. The third exercise is trust exercise. Okay. In this exercise, you will face your partner. Okay. And you will stand in front of your partner and you will fall back slowly and let your partner behind you catch you. It's a very simple exercise. Okay.
But teacher, how can we trust them? They will simply drop us then.
Yes, ma'am. We will get hurt. There is no way we can do this exercise. I just can't trust them.
Kind of negative thought before trying something new. Let's first try the trust exercise. Okay. We'll pair you up first. Okay. Amina and Afia, Khatija and Hajra. Okay. Hazra will try to catch Khatija and Afia will catch Amna. Okay?
I will. Don't worry, I just trust.
Very good.
You better catch me.
Okay.
First. Slowly. Very good. See, it's simple, right?
Wow.
Okay, next step.
Come on. Just relax. Trust me. I will catch you. Move it forward. Come on.
Teacher, I can't do. Teacher, I'm not able to do anything, teacher. They all can write, they can't play also. But I'm useless, teacher. I can't do anything.
Come here, my child. Come here. Have a seat, Amna. Listen. You have started these boundaries and limitations way before you even tried any of the exercise. Let's first try the new things, new exercise, and then you see you can do it. You have to have the confidence, okay? So if you want, we all will do together. Your friends and I, we will help you to do these all exercises together. First, let's start with the creative, okay? Let's have a seat. Come on, everyone, let's help her.
Because of you all helped me and I can do everything now. Before complaining, next time I'll try. Thank you, teacher, and thank you, my dear friends.
Very good. Now next time, before you set your boundaries, always remember, don't set your boundaries before you do your things, okay? You have to first try and then only you have to break your boundaries. Don't ever set your boundaries.
Children, hope you like this kit. We have learned many lessons from this kit. Before giving up, try, and if you don't have the confidence, never hesitate to ask for help. And for those who are being asked for help, never think of the merits and demerits. Helping others is like helping yourself. Don't set your own limitations and boundaries. Those walls are easy to make, but hard to break. But if you just have the right tools, you can drill right through them. Once again, Happy Children's Day!
If within that time you can obtain the signature, then if you fail, it's this.
Hello everyone, greetings to one and all. I would like to quickly introduce myself. I am Ms. Vani, working as a science teacher in JFIs. My goal today is to help you all understand some of the pros and cons of online classes and usage of technology. As you all know, education institutes are closed worldwide due to outbreak of COVID-19. As a result, education has changed dramatically with the distinctive rise of e-learning, whereby teaching is undertaken remotely and on digital platforms like Google Classroom, Zoom, etc. With this sudden shift away from the classroom in many parts of the globe, many students are struggling to cope with the change in routine. Parents, on the other hand, have to manage their child's academics and their jobs. The teachers must familiarize themselves with new technology and digital platforms which they have never used before. Though many people were initially skeptical about this option, online learning can be a boon if used in the right manner as well. So, let us discuss some of the benefits of online learning. Firstly, multiple learning options. Online education is highly interactive. The ways in which children can be taught virtually is really limitless. For example, children can get a better understanding of a topic being taught when teachers use virtual tools like videos or graphics to make them understand. Anytime, anywhere accessibility. Learn at your own pace flexibility. This does not mean that the workload is less for a student studying online, only that they have more flexibility in when, how and where they study. Since everything is available online, accessing class materials and submitting work is very convenient. Reduces travel time. Online learning programs do not require parents to drive their kids to a particular location. They can study and improve their skills at home at their own leisure. It also benefits environment like pollution and saving energy by using less electricity. It also promotes online and computer skills. More importantly, they are learning to acquire the skills with cutting-edge technology and diverse methods. Online skills like accessing information, communication and collaboration are necessary for learning and succeeding. This will hopefully accelerate modernization of the education system and also increase their capacity and abilities to face new challenges in a rapidly changing world. As we all know, everything in the world has pros and cons. Online learning is not without its drawbacks though. Some of the drawbacks of online are: it's less personal. Online learning reduces the personal interaction between students and teachers, and this increases the communication gap between them. Classroom interaction will be missing. Online courses is missing out on the social elements of going to class. It's not ideal for students, especially the little ones, to sit alone with the computer throughout the entire session. Secondly, network issue. In addition, many a times online classes are interrupted due to technical glitches due to poor internet connection. Slow internet speed is the biggest failure of online learning. Difficulty in adapting new applications. As I discussed earlier, teachers have to familiarize themselves with the technology. This will be difficult, especially for older teachers who have never used platforms like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. Not just teachers, even parents undergo difficulty in adapting these new applications. Lab work is difficult for both students and teachers to stimulate in the virtual classroom. It affects on health. Sitting all day in front of laptop or computers may disturb body metabolism. It reductions in physical activities as well. Numbness in the hands and excess exposure to screen time. Online classes can lead to increased exposure to screens for children, which can affect adversely. Online learning needs to be given a chance. However, there are certain measures parents can opt to ensure kids do not overdo it by limiting the screen time, create tech-free zones in house, engaging in back and forth talk time. One of the main drawbacks is impact of social media on youth. Social media. What's social media? It refers to an interaction among people in which they create, share and or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities and networks. Some of the popular social medias are WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, Instagram. Age group of 15 to 24 are the highest number of social media users. On the average, Facebook is visited at least thrice a day. 67% of the teenagers are friends with strangers. Cases of cyberbullying, fake profiles are increased in a huge number. Thoughts of the youth are being manipulated with increase in use of websites. We live in a copy-paste culture where things are literally go viral overnight. Despite these various pitfalls, the digital world does have great potential for creativity, learning, and social growth. It helps in conversation around the world. Data information can be exchanged easily, helps in avoiding boredom. Over-dependency on technology can be a major drawback in long-distance learning, especially when the learning takes place in the online environment. Every form of technology comes with its boons and curses. It is the way we use determines how or how much it can influence us. By telling this, I would like to end my presentation. Thank you all.
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es.
Pump like that.
Thank God. Again, math spirit. It will be boring.
Students,
Good morning, teacher.
how are you all?
Good.
Sit down. So hope you all had good lunch. And now again it's maths period. Today I am going to teach you a very funny technique.
After break. Just now science class done.
Yes, girls? So this is Japanese technique of doing multiplication. You know, Japan is very good country and it is having so many new techniques. So we are going to study today how to multiply 22 into 24 by this technique. Yes, Sirisha?
Shadma ma'am.
Yes, Sirisha, just stand and say. Japanese techniques are okay, good. Why don't you follow Japanese trend also? You know, yeah ma'am, you know Japanese are giving after break 1 hour for sleep. If you also give 1 hour for sleep, our neurons will be very active. Really? That's great. Okay, girls, so let's follow Japanese tradition today. Yay! Yes, people are very happy. Yes. Everybody pack your bags. Come on, Yemisi. Okay, so you all are ready? Yes, ma'am. Sirisha, can you please stand up? Okay, Sirisha, just go outside and just bring broomsticks as well as the detergent powder. Broomsticks? Detergent? Why? What? Yes. Ma'am, all this for what, ma'am? Yes, you want to follow the Japanese tradition, so let me show you good Japanese tradition. Okay girls, so in Japanese tradition, if student is making any mistake, they have to clean the bathroom. So today, the things are here and you are also here, so let's, Sirisha, come and
technique. Please, please. I'm very interested in math class. Please, please. I want this technique only. Even friends also don't know math. My friends also. Yes, right? Yes. So, today you told me to follow the Japanese trend. So now the techniques we will study next period. Today you have to follow the Japanese trend. So go and clean the bathroom.
Oh no!
It's all about English, English. Oh, 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 oh. Morning, noon, English, English. Oh, 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 oh.
Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
Fine.
Fine, teacher. Okay, so today I'm going to ask you some definitions. All right?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so you are all ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Lisha, tell me the definition of doctor.
A person who kills or ills with pills and kills us with his bills.
Lisha, is that so? Okay, Badriya, come on, you tell me the definition of opportunist.
Teacher, the man who starts taking bath when he accidentally falls into the river.
Badriya, is this what I taught you? Vani, define lecturer.
An art of transmitting information from notes of the lecture to the notes of the students without passing through the minds of either.
Vani, excellent. Beta Zaritaj, define the book about freedom fighter.
The book which people praise but never read it.
Excellent, Zaritaj. Be prepared for the punishment. Salimunisa, tell me the definition of classroom.
Teacher, I know this definition. A place where everybody talks, nobody listens, and everybody disagrees later on.
Very true, Salimunisa. That means you are doing that only in classroom.
Why?
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
So yesterday I taught you about photosynthesis. Come on, Lisha, tell me what is photosynthesis? Define photosynthesis.
The process by which is called photosynthesis.
What happened, Lisha? You're not audible. Come on. Lisha.
Ma'am, I said the answer. Network problem.
I know, every time this is the problem for you. After 12:30, your network will work very nicely.
Yes. Yes, what happened, Lisha? I have a doubt, ma'am. What is the doubt? Can you please help me? Yes. What is photosynthesis? This is exam, Lisha. You have to learn and come. Ma'am, can you please tell the first word? Please, ma'am, please. Done. It's called photosynthesis. Anyone can name this compound?
No, I know, teacher.
Yes, Dharma, please write and show me the answer.
Hakuna Matata, no troubles, no worries.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata.
Thank you.